Hey everyone, welcome back to another new video, and I have found another new AI model and its name is Kimi K2 and it is completely open source agentic model. And I am pretty sure that after watching this video many of you are going to cancel Cursor and Windsurf subscription, because in this Kimi K2 model you will get each and everything is required to build an project and also general purpose things. And also you see that this model is completely beating the other popular models like Claude, Gemini and DeepSeek and this Cline also. So in this video I will show you all of the steps that is required to set up the things in VS Code with Cline plus Ru code plus Kilo code, and also I will show you that how you can use it in their platform, and it is completely free guys. Here you see that I have given this prompt: build a messaging platform with upvote and downvote feature like Reddit, and here you see that it has given me a great response, and I have not found this kind of response with any other provider. Like here you see that it has given me the text choices, the backend, front end and all of the things, and also this authentication, the data model and etc etc. I will show you in this video that why this model is best. And also some days ago, means 2 days ago, Gork released their new model Gork 4, and I'm pretty sure that this Kimi K2 model will beat their Gork 4 model also. Okay, so first let me show you some of the information that what are the feature this model has. Here you see it has this 1 trillion total parameter and 32B active MOE model, means the mixture of expert, and also it is SOTA on SweBench verified. By the way, those who don't know what is SOTA, what is the importance of SOTA, here you see SOTA commonly refers to the state of the art, particularly in technical context like machine learning, medical devices, and software development. So basically, it has all the knowledge and all the innovations of the latest technology, and all of the information in the specific field. It can be machine learning, it can be general purpose, so it has all of that information. And also you see that it is strong in coding and agentic tasks. It is multimodal and thought mode not supported for now, means the thinking mode is not supported for now, but without thinking also this model is giving the best performance than the others. And also they have planned to release the thinking mode in the upcoming days. And here you see that with Kimi K2, advanced agentic intelligence is more open and accessible than ever. We cannot wait to see what you build. And if you go to this platform, this platform.moonshot.ai, I have given this link in description also. You will find this platform, and there please do the login with your phone number or this Google account, and after that you will find this kind of platform, and there you can chat with this model like in this way. Here you see that you can write anything. If I click on this new chat, there you will find this kind of interface, and here you see that for the researcher mode you will you can enable this by clicking on this, and you will get this 5 researcher for free. And also these tools, here you see that search things is enabled, and this extended thinking is also enabled. Means what I was telling, that extended thinking is required in researcher mode if I turn on this researcher, and otherwise this is not enabled. Okay, so extended thinking you will get only in the researcher mode, but otherwise if you don't use the researcher mode also, then also you will see that it is beating the other models. Okay, now let me cover this platform, and here you see that you can choose the model. This K2, this is the new flagship model, and before there was a K1.5, and after that the new version is the K2. Okay, so we are talking about this K2. And also you can upload the file, maximum 50 files you can upload, and they have this common phrase. If I click on it, then you will find one pop-up, and here you can save some common phrase that you generally use. Okay, And otherwise the thing is same like the chat GPT and DeepSeek, but here you will get the get response because it is beating the other models. Okay, now I have covered their platform. It is completely free, guys. You can use it. And the platform name is kimi.com. Remember this thing. I have given a link in description. Now let me show you how to use it with the VS Code, Cline plus root code, okay, and plus kilo code if you want to use it. And now there are three things you have to remember. Currently they are giving some free tier access. Here you see that you will get this free tier access, this $0, and the request per minute is the 3, and the token per minute access is 32,000, and this is the token per day, 1.5k token per day, sorry, 1.5 lakh token per day. And this is 1.5 million token per day for the free user category access. And otherwise there is a tier 1, tier 2, tier 3 category, but as I have told you that it is completely open source, so you can go for this free tier category and it is enough, that I think. And otherwise you can use it through the Hugging Face, because if you go to this Hugging Face Kimi K2 instruct. Okay, one thing I missed to inform you that they have published two model. One is the Kimi K2 base, another one is the Kimi K2 instruct. So Kimi K2 base is the foundation model, a strong state art for researcher and builders who want full control for the fine tuning. Okay, and the custom solution. And this Kimi K2 instruct, if you see, this is a post-trained model based for drop-in general purpose chat and agentic experience. Okay, so it is a reflex grade model without long thinking, and I will suggest you to use this Kimi K2 instruct because it will help you to develop the things fast. And with Kimi K2 agentic intelligence, it is now more open and accessible than ever. So if you see this Hugging Face repository, Kimi K2 instruct, this is the model, and another model is the Kimi K2 base. And so if you want to use it through the Hugging Face repository, then let me show you. So go to this link Kimi K2 instruct that I have given in description. Okay, and there also you will find this view API code option. Here you see view API code. So if I click on it, and there you will find this kind of pop-up, and now just select this Novita as a provider, Inference provider, and now go to this OpenAI, and here you see that you will find this OpenAI compatible base URL and this API key, and this is the model name. Okay, these three things are required to do the setup in Cline, right? So those who have used this Cline extension before, they know that we need this API provider, base URL, and this API key and this model ID. Okay, and if you have not installed this Cline extension till now, please go to the extension and there install this Cline. Okay, after that go to this Cline, go to this settings. Now we will do the setup for the API. Okay, so first we will start from their official API, and after that we will use the open router and we will use the Hugging Face. Okay, so if you want to use their official API provider, then do one thing, go to this platform.moonshot.ai and there do the login. Okay, and after that you will find this kind of platform, and there on the left hand side you will find this API keys. Go there and here click on this create API key. You will find one pop-up, give a name here and select this default project and click on this OK, and now API key will be created for you. So copy that API key. Okay, and after that go to my description. Okay, there I have provided this this base URL name. Okay, so go there and select this API provider as a OpenAI compatible. Remember these things, OpenAI compatible, and after that for the base URL just provide these things. So this is the thing that I have provided in description, api.moonshot.ai/version1. By the way, if you want to know that how I have got this information, this API base URL, here you see they have given that usage of Kimi K2 model in software agents, and they have given all of this instruction. This is the base URL and this is the model name, Kimi K2 0711 preview. So for your advantage, I have given all of this information in description. You just copy from there and paste it here. Okay, so do the pasting here in this way. And also paste that API key that you have got from their official platform. Now click on this done and it will work. Now this was the usage of official API. Now if you want to or if you are interested to use through the Hugging Face, then you can do one thing. Go to this Hugging Face account. Okay, here you see this is my Hugging Face account, and there on the left hand side you will find this access token. Okay, so if you don't find your Hugging Face account, go to the settings of Hugging Face. Okay, here in this profile, you will find these settings. Go to the settings. Okay, go to the settings here. Okay, and after that on the left hand side, you will find this access token, and there click on this create new token, and there you have to give the token name. You can give anything like Kimi K2, and after that, this repositories and just click on this checkbox for all of this. Okay, so this is the meaning that you are giving the permission. Okay, if you don't give this permission, then it will not work. Remember these things. Okay, and so give all of this permission, and after that click on this create token, and you will get one token from there. Okay, now again go to the VS Code, open this client, select this API provider as a OpenAI compatible, and for this base URL, just paste these things, and this is the Hugging Face base URL, the Nobita as a Inference provider. Here you see I have got these things, all of the information are there. Okay, so this is the base URL, and after that this is the model name. So you don't have to do anything, just go to my description and there from there copy these things. If you want to use the Hugging Face, copy the Hugging Face related thing. If you want to use their official API, then use the official portion. Okay, whatever you want to prefer, you can use that. Okay, and now in this OpenAI compatible API key, give that Hugging Face token that you have got from the Hugging Face. So from this, okay, here you see I have already got my token. And now if you save, click on this done, here you see that I have got this kind of response, hi, and hello, you have greeted me, how can I help you today? Okay, this Kimi K2 install is selected. And another thing is that if you want to use through the open router, and if you want to use through the open router, it is not free, you have to do the payment, and the pricing is let me show you in detail. And here you see the pricing is for the 1 million token, the input price is $0.15, and for the cash miss, means if you are using this cash hit, then it is $0.15. Otherwise for the cash miss it is $0.60, and for the output price here you see 2.50, and it is actually 4 times cheaper than the Google Gemini models, and this uh, 4 times cheaper than the Claude 4 models, the output price I am talking about. Okay, and also the input price is very less, because for Claude 4 Opus the pricing is very much, and for Claude 4 Sonnet also it is the input price is $3, and the output is $15. But for this Kimi K2, you see that this Kimi K2, where is that? You see that for this agentic and competitive coding, this Kimi K2 is giving the performance of 65.8 on this benchmark. Anthropic is giving 72.5 for the single attempt. and it is exactly 6 benchmark difference. It is not that much different. And you see that this GPT 4.1 has this 54.6 benchmark, and this Kimi K2 has the 65.8 benchmark. Means Kimi K2 is actually have the great benchmark than this GPT 4.1, but the pricing for the GPT 4.1 is very large than this Kimi K2. I think around $2.5 input price for the GPT 4.1. I'm not sure, but it is very much large than this Kimi K2. But you see that Kimi K2 is giving the best performance than all of the others. For this HW benchmark, multilingual means the software engineering and this live code and OG bench. And another thing is that if you see that on this AIME benchmark, AIME is a complex exam, and on this benchmark also this Kimi K2 is performing better than the others. And also the interesting thing is that they are comparing this Kimi K2 model with the Claude Opus or Claude for Opus. We know the Claude for Opus is the best model. They are not comparing with the Claude for Sonnet. Claude for Opus is better than the Claude for Sonnet, and they are comparing Kimi K2 with the Claude for Opus. Means they are comparing their model with the world's best model, and they are showing that our model Kimi K2 is actually performing better than the world best code and coding model. So please use our model. Okay, so they are telling that. And also I will recommend you to use this model Kimi K2 because if this is giving the best performance than the others, then why will you use the other model? Why will you pay more? Right? And also they have this great platform kimi.com. There you can use it for free, and it has the same interface like the ChatGPT, DeepSeek, and Claude, but this Kimi K2 has a great great result, great benchmark, whatever you can say. And one thing I want to show you, one example I have found. By the way, this is their benchmark Kimi K2. You can see it and you can analyze that why it is performing better. Here you see on all of this benchmark, it is beating this. It is obviously beating this Claude Sonnet 4, and also in some of the areas it is beating this Claude Opus 4. And if I scroll down, I do see that on math also it is performing better. And where is that example actually? Yes, JavaScript Minecraft. Here you see. If you see, it has actually created a 3D version of the Minecraft that feature. Okay, so whatever the scene we got to see in Minecraft, here you see exactly similar thing. So you see that it has designed this Minecraft with the help of this JavaScript and all of these things. It is actually great, man. Means Kimi K2 has designed exactly similar things like the Minecraft, and it is not that much easy to design this kind of UI with the help of CSS and JavaScript. It is not that much easy, guys. But it has designed exactly similar, like I am playing this Minecraft. Okay. So, if I tell you, okay, so I hope you found this video helpful, guys. And if you are interested to use, please use it. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like this video also. All the links are given in description. Go there, check it. And if you want to get this type of videos more, don't forget to subscribe this channel. And here you see that I have already published many videos regarding the cursor, Cork, and this AI coding, AI tools, what is happening recently. So if you're interested to get this type of videos more daily, don't forget to subscribe this channel. Please like this video. See you guys in next video, and thanks for watching. And another thing I forgot to mention, forgot to mention that you can try this chat feature in Hugging Face platform also, means the playground. There also you will find this Kimi K2 model, and you can do the chat. Here you see that. Hi there, how can I help you today? Okay, so bye bye.